friends, this week we're starting a new unit on going places. So I wanted to show you some things that help you decide where you want to go. This is called a globe. It's a sphere and it spins round and round and round, and it shows you a map of our world. Can you guess what the blue color on this globe is supposed to be? That's right, it's water. It's mostly ocean if you look at our world. And then there's maps of all the different continents like Africa, Asia. Here's North America and South America. Where's Australia? Did we forget? Oh, here's Australia down here, the bottom. And at the top we have Antarctica. So that's one way we can talk about going places, is around the world. I even have a book that shows you maps. For example, this is a map of South America. It's called an atlas. It's a special kind of book. Or your moms and dads might even have something that is just called a map. And when you open it up, it shows you the oceans, mostly blue, rivers, different countries and cities. A lot of us use our phones nowadays for directions when we want to go somewhere. But maps still exist and they're really fun to look at. So ask your moms and dads if they have a map that you can look at. And if not, just look at their Google Map directions, because that'll be fun too. It'll help you go places. Another place, or another way we can go places, is in our country. Our country is called the United States of America, and it's a really big place. We talk about how our city is Long Beach, and Long Beach is in the state of California, but this book, In Our Country, shows you a map of our whole country. This is a map of our country. In some parts there are forests. In others there are deserts. We talked about some of these words when we talked about our habitat unit, didn't we? Some of you may have been to these places. Some of you probably haven't been there. This is one of the habitats that's close to us. In some parts there's beaches with oceans, and in others there's marshes. In some parts there are rivers, in others there are lakes. This looks like it's up high in the mountains. We have mountains about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours from us. In some parts there are canyons, and in others there are prairies. In some parts there are snow-covered mountains. Let's take care of our whole country. Let's take care of the United States of America. Today, or sometime this week, I want you to look in for your circle map that is in your Google Classroom. I have a paper one like we usually do at school. In the center, it says places we go, and I chose some places that are pretty close to Long Beach, California. Some of them you've probably been to before, like the park. We can go to the park. If you get in your car and drive for about an hour and a half in the wintertime, you can go to the mountains and see the snow. That's somewhere else we can go. Just minutes from some of our houses is a Long Beach Aquarium. That's some place we could go. We also live pretty close to Disneyland. That's somewhere we can go. Here's a picture of the zoo. We have a couple zoos around us, the LA Zoo, the Santa Ana Zoo, all fun places to visit the animals. I know a couple of you have gone here this year. Legoland, that's down in San Diego, which is not too far from us. Again, just minutes from our house. We have the beach. We're so lucky here in Long Beach, California. We don't have to go far to have fun. And then another place you might have gone is a water park. These are all places you can go. Right now, I know we can't go everywhere we want to go. So you might want to check out on the Google Classroom. There is a section for virtual field trips. You can visit the Kid Space Museum, which we went to earlier in the year. It can take you on a field trip, or you can visit a zoo or an aquarium if you go to that part of the Google Classroom. Have fun going places. Bye.